Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to explain about some more problems, numerical problems on coordinate geometry. Okay. Now, here, see, the first problem is find the value of k for which the given points are collinear. That means here 3 points given, 7 minus 2, 5, 1, 3 k given instead of number k given. So, we should find out the k for which value of k these 3 points are collinear. So, for showing collinear I already explained 2 methods. In that triangle area method only easy. So, that is why we should find out the area of the triangle followed by these 3 points. These 3 points. Now, here already he gave for which value it is collinear means it should be collinear. So, that is why equate the triangle area is equal to 0, then only the points are collinear. So, then from that k value find out. So, for that value of k, the triangle area is 0 means they are collinear. Okay. Now, first suppose triangle, you take triangle. That means they are not really triangle for consideration we are taking. That's it. This is not at all triangle because collinear. So, for just finding the area, A, let this is 7 minus 2, B is 5 comma 1, C is 3 comma k. For which value of k? These 3 are in straight line. That means on the line. That means collinear. Now, given points are A 7 comma minus 2, B 5 comma 1, C 3 comma k. Okay. To collinear to the points to be collinear, the condition is triangle ABC is equal to 0. Here triangle means area. Area we can write. For area of triangle you can simply write, we can write like this. Triangle ABC means area of ABC is equal to 0. So, area of ABC 0 only, that is condition. So, area is equal to, we know, of, here I will write, of modulus area x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2 mod. That is the formula for area, we know. Now, here only write x1 is equal to 7, x2 is equal to 5, x2 is equal to 5, x3 7, 5, 3, x3 is 3, y1 is equal to minus 2, y2 is equal to 1, y3 is equal to k, minus 2, 1, k. Okay. Now substitute these values here in area. x1 is 7 into y2 is 1 minus y3 k. Okay. Plus x2 5 into y3 k minus y1 minus 2 means plus 2 plus x3 3 y1 minus 2 minus y2 means minus 1. Okay. Now, of mod 7 into 1 minus k only, this is plus 5 into 1 plus k plus 2 only, this 3 into this we can add, minus 2 minus 1 means minus 3. Now, this is of, now expand, 7 1s are 7, minus 7 into k 7k plus 5k plus 10, 5s are 10, 3 3s are 9, minus 9. So, this is of. Now, numbers you see 17 minus 9 is 8, constants are 8, see 3. Okay. This and this 17 minus 9 8, case minus minus 7k, this is so minus 2k, because 7 is more, minus is more. Okay, this is the area. That means this we can write 8 minus 2k by 2 we can write mod only. That means 4 minus k. 4 2 in divides me, that's why you not understand means 2 into 4 minus k, 2k, you take out 2 common, 4 minus 2k. So that only will come here. Here 2 already you took only k. So 4 minus k. Now positive values only you will take, this is modulus you take. Okay, mod. Now points are collinear, for points collinear, for points to be collinear, this 4 minus k mod value is equal to 0. Then only the area of the triangle 0 only they are collinear. So now the value of k is what? That means here 0 only there, 4 minus k is equal to 0. See, other than 0 means plus or minus you write. For 0 no need. So minus k is equal to minus 4, minus k is equal to 4. Therefore, for the value of k is equal to 4, the points are collinear. The points are collinear. For which value of k they are collinear he asked. For the value of k is equal to 4 only, the points are collinear. Other points if you are taking means not collinear. Now slopes of line, suppose points given slopes. Here horizontal line, vertical line is there. Suppose one line is there like this, it is having some slope it is having. How can you measure the slope means? See here, see this distance by this distance or this distance by, that means vertical distance by horizontal distance, vertical distance by horizontal distance, whatever you do that is constant. That's why we can draw a straight line. So that is slope. That means it is belongs to horizontal distance, y distance. So this height by how much height is there for a certain distance, that is the slope. That is the slope. For a certain distance its height is more means more slope. For a certain, see, for this certain distance only, if the height is here suppose, then the slope is more. That's why slope formula is y distance by x distance. That means if coordinates are there for 2 points means y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. See, for points, 2 points give, for 2 points only slope a, b. See, this is 1 point, see, here a line is there, its slope asking. So for this line 2 points there anyway, 2 points, then only it is the straight line. So x1 y1 line, x2 y2 line. So then you want to find out how much this slope it is having, that is denoted by the letter m. Slope is denoted by the letter m. The relation is vertical distance, height to the base. So that is formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. 2 points given, one point is x1 y1, one point is x2 y2. In numerically they gave. So by using this formula we will get the slope. Slope is denoted by m. Now is asking slope, that's why I explained separately. What is slope? Slope is m. It is the relation between the height to the base, horizontal line, vertical line to the horizontal line. The slope is denoted by the letter m. If the for a certain distance, if the height is increasing, the slope will increase. If the height is decreasing, the slope will decrease. So that's why for the distance to the height is direct proportion for a slope. Okay. Now first problem is what? Given points A 4 comma minus 6, B 7 comma 2. Therefore here x1 is equal to 4, x2 is equal to 7, y1 is equal to minus 6, y2 is equal to 2. Therefore slope of the line AB is equal to what formula I told? Y, first y coordinates, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, that is the slope. Now substitute the values. y2 is 2, y1 is minus of minus 6, by x2 is 7, minus x1 is 4. That is 2 plus 6, minus into minus 6, by 7 minus 4 is 3. So 8 by 3. So 8 by 3 is the slope. Therefore m, suppose this is m value is 8 by 5. Second point, for the given 2 points slope, this only. Simply y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 formula you substitute. You will give the vertices means A vertices, B vertices, 2 points vertices given, then only it is straight line. That straight line is having some slope. That slope is here 8 by 5. Okay. What is that meaning means? Here see, for this is horizontal distance. For the base 5 units, its height is 8 units. For base 5 units, its height is 8 units. In that ratio, the slope is there. Next points are A 8 minus 4, B minus 4 A2. So for this here x1 is equal to 8, x2 is equal to minus 4, y1 is equal to minus 4, y2 is equal to 8. Therefore slope m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That is y2 is 8 minus y1 is minus 4, 8 minus of minus 4, by x2 is minus 4, minus x1 is minus 8. That is 8 plus 4 by minus 12. Both are minus, we should add. This is plus 12 by minus 12. That is minus 1. The slope is minus 1. So like this we can calculate the slope. Slope is minus 1 means what? It is horizontal line only, because no here like this, 1 unit here, 1 unit here, height is 1 unit, this is 1 unit. Okay, slope. Okay, if any time in bits or in computative, slope ask means you use this formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Okay, I hope everyone understood these problems. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.